Can I do day trade on Robinhood? Can I do day trade on Robinhood? The answer is yes, you can do day trading on Robinhood, but rules apply. Robinhood lets you buy and sell stocks daily, several times. It's allowed. You can also trade ETFs and options via day trading on Robinhood. If you make 4+ trades in 5 days, you become a patent day trader, which is being phased out. The SEC also introduced new rules. FINRA, sorry, there are new rules around patent day trading. Is now being phased out. So you need to have $25,000 in your account at the moment as of making this video. Without $25,000 in your account, you'll be restricted. You can still make occasional day trades without $25,000 in your account, but it's a rule that is being phased out at the moment. See some videos that I did about this on this channel. Robinhood is beginner friendly, which is a good thing for people wanting to do day trading. It has no commissions, it has simple charts and tools, so it's good for learning day trading as a beginner, but it's very limited for professional day traders.